Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious frozen yogurt lollies using an easy method. This treat is perfect for a warm day and requires just a few simple ingredients you likely already have on hand. We'll start by gathering our base, which is about 1 cup of your favorite yogurt, along with some fresh or frozen fruit, approximately 1/2 cup, and a touch of sweetener like honey or maple syrup, perhaps 1 or 2 tablespoons. It's a fun and healthy snack for everyone. Now let's get mixing. In a bowl, combine your chosen yogurt, fruit, and sweetener. You can mash the fruit with a fork for a chunky texture or blend it for a super smooth consistency. Once everything is well combined, carefully pour the mixture into your lolly molds. If you don't have molds, small paper cups work perfectly. Remember to leave a little space at the top and then insert your lolly sticks, ensuring they stand upright. The next crucial step is freezing. Carefully transfer your filled lolly molds to the freezer. It's important to give them enough time to solidify properly. We recommend freezing them for a minimum of 4 hours, but for the best, firmest results, leaving them overnight is ideal. This ensures your lollies are perfectly set and won't melt too quickly when you're ready to enjoy them. Patience is key for this delightful treat. Once your frozen yogurt lollies are completely frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily remove them from the molds, simply run the outside of the mold under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. They should then slide right out. These homemade treats are perfect for a hot day or as a healthy dessert. Don't be afraid to get creative with different fruit and yogurt combinations for endless flavor possibilities. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.